Hello guys, today I have got NOMAD Stratos Band and I'm going to show you the unboxing and first setup on the Apple Watch. So I need to at first take out my band, and quick caution, maybe not caution, I've unboxed my band before this video because I was too curious to not unbox it, so yeah, not to unbox it. So yeah, here we've got our band. The first thing that of course comes to our mind, our eyes, is the band. Here we've got our NOMAD band. It comes, connected with these magnets and looks like this. And yeah, this is the first part, the most crucial part. Here we've got this extender or remover for our watch, for our band actually. Here we can, as you can see, completely demount it or mount it back again. That's how it works here. And here we've got two more things. The first one are accessories and spare parts. Those are these bolts and spare parts, of course. And here we've got the second box with the half size adjustment links, which are of course these parts if you want to extend our band if it's too tight. So actually this is all we've got in the box. There are no other things in the box, so the only thing that comes to my mind is to of course mount it on our Apple Watch. So here we've got our band, and it's the easiest way to mount them is to at first divide into two parts. The NOMAD part goes up, the second part goes down. And here on our Apple Watch, we need to mount this part without this NOMAD logo on the top, like this. You need to take this part right here and mount it directly on. You need to slide it directly into this hole right here, without pushing buttons, without doing anything. Theory here, a click. Now we've got it mounted. The second part is here. Need to do the same. Now we've got it mounted also, and now here we've got, not like this, completely set up band with our watch. That's it. Bye.